Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the big head filter on TikTok. Really easy and simple to get. If you're unaware what that filter looks like, it just looks like this, so it just makes your head look a lot bigger. And how you get this filter is you want to head over to TikTok and open that up. Then you're just going to search for big head filter with no spaces, and just search for that. And then you want to click on videos. And all you want to do is just click on someone that's using the filter, so any one of these people right here. And then once you find the filter, above the username, you can click on that little yellow link. And then you could add that to your favorites, and you'll be able to share this whenever you would like to. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.